This is the Ammann APF 1540 plate compactor powered by the Vanguard 160 single-cylinder engine. This is the ideal compactor for the rental market. It addresses the most common issues that you as fleet managers are facing today: total cost of ownership and reduced maintenance. The Vanguard 160 comes as standard with 200-hour oil change intervals, while the industry standard is 100 hours. This means it requires 50% less oil over the life of the equipment. It features Vanguard's patented transport guard system, which eliminates oil and fuel dilution which can occur during equipment transportation. No more contaminated oil, no more unnecessary oil changes, and less wastage. It also comes as standard with a fully integrated cyclonic air filter. This filter has extended maintenance cycles of 600 hours and ensures maximum protection against airborne debris. All this leads to less maintenance, increased productivity, and significantly lower total cost of ownership for your fleet, while reducing the environmental impact of your company during maintenance.